class, and our topic today is TV repairs. So before moving on to our next slide, I would like each one of you to introduce yourself to your classmates. So please provide me your name, your age, job, address, and hobby. Okay. So first, hello.
Hello, hello teacher and every student. My name is Kitipat Yupaniat. You can call me Tan. I am 24 years old. I work as a pharmacist at Boots retail store. I live in Nakhon Pathom province. I love reading books and watching YouTube videos in my free time. Nice to meet you, everyone.
Okay, nice to meet you too, Kun Tan. So, what kind of YouTube video do you enjoy watching?
Yeah, sometimes I watch a English cartoon. I can enjoy it and practice some vocabulary.
I see. That's a good way to practice your listening skills. So, it is for enjoyment as well as for improving your English. Okay, and next person. Hello.
Hello, teacher. Hello.
Okay.
I am Yuttapum Namwong. I live in Payao. I am 58 years old. I am retired now. My hobby are taking photos and videos. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Kun Yut. What kind of photo do you usually take? Like a landscape or a portrait?
I like landscape about my attraction area in my hometown.
I see.
Yeah.
And where do you usually go for taking photos? Like in Thailand?
Everywhere I go. But if I traveling to some place in my hometown, my province, I have to take a camera with me to take photo. Yeah.
Okay. I see. And how do you feel after your retirement?
Are
you happy?
Yes, I am very happy and have a lot of time. I have free time.
I see. Yeah, you get a lot of free time to do your hobby.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you. And next person. Hello.
Hi. My name is Sonam. You can call me Ton. I'm 22 years old. And I am a between job. My address I stay right in province Thailand. My hobby I like to watch movie in free time and like to watching video in YouTube.
I see.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
What kind of movie do you enjoy watching the most?
Fantasy or science.
I see. And what is your favorite movie?
What is my favorite movie? Have Avatar and Star Wars. Okay.
I see. So you enjoy sci-fi movies. Okay. Nice having you. And next, Kun Shananya. Can you please turn on your microphone? I cannot let you speak if you do not turn on your microphone. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. My name is Shananya Janne. I'm 22 years old. Now I'm graduated from Burapha University. And now I find a job. At this, I live in Bangkok, Cha Cheong Sao. My hobby is listen music.
I see. Okay, so you're same age as me. And what kind of job are you looking for?
I'm looking for งานราชการ I
Like
don't know.
government
I don't know.
officers?
Yes. Government.
Okay. I hope you'll find it soon. Okay, so let's start our lesson. So there are 3 class rules that I would like to remind you guys. So please follow them. First, use English only. Second, practice speaking on a topic under the guidance of the teacher. And lastly, please don't do personal things in the class and pay attention. During the lesson, if you have any questions or any part that you don't understand and you want me to explain more, please let me know. I will try my best to help you guys out, and I hope you will enjoy today's class. So let's get started. Here is our first activity. So you're going to pronounce all the words on the slide, and I will correct your mistakes. So starting from Kun Tan, can you read all the words on the slide out loud, please?
Okay. Repair, screen,
Okay.
vertical, fix, television, easy, mean, replace.
Okay, that's very nice. Can you pick one word and make one sentence for me?
Okay. Repair. I repair. I just repaired my television screen because it's broke.
Okay, that's great. That's a nice sentence. So I just repaired my television vision. Okay, I spelled it wrong. I just repaired. Have your TV ever broken?
Hello? No,
Okay.
I am not good at repair. I'm not a handyman. Sorry.
I see. So what do you do usually? You call someone to fix it for you?
Yes, I try to maybe smash it or.
Really? Okay, I see. Be careful. Okay, thank you. And next, Kun Yut. Can you read all the words?
Okay. Repair, screen, vertical, fix, television, easy, mean, repressed.
Okay, nice pronunciation. There's no mistake. So can you pick one word and make one sentence?
I choose screen.
Okay.
Yeah. I suddenly lost its picture. The sound is still alive, but the skin is completely pitch black. Yeah.
Okay. Can you repeat the last sentence again? Can you speak a little bit louder?
Pitch black. black.
The skin
Yeah.
is black.
Yeah.
Okay. So the skin is black, or you can say the skin suddenly turned black.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. And next คุณต้น
repair screen vertical fix television easy mean replace
Okay, replace.
Replace.
replace
Yes. Okay. You know what replace is?
no it's the same repair, right?
So replace, it means you provide a substitute for something. Like when something is broken, you find a new one to replace it. So this is the meaning. I put it in the chat box. Like take the place of. I replace my laptop. I replace my lamp.
Oh, I see.
So when something is broken, you find a new one that has the same function. So you replace it. Okay, so can you choose one word and make one sentence?
I should easy. I think testing about apply exam government is not easy.
Okay. So easy. Okay, so that's right. Your sentence. Are you good at studying? Do you find exams easy?
Not. I say not easy.
Okay, but I mean like, are you good at studying when you were a high school student? Do you like to study?
Yes, I like.
Okay. What is your favorite subject?
Favorite subject, I like economic subject.
Oh, okay, I see. That's a very serious subject. Okay. Thank you for sharing. And next, the last person. คุณชานัญญา
Hello.
Okay. Can you pronounce all the words?
Repair skin vertical fix television easy mean replace.
Okay, very good. And now please choose one word and make one sentence, please.
I think skiing.
Okay.
Now I'm looking at skiing.
Okay, that's good. Now I'm looking at the skin, or you can say, now I am staring at the skin. So it has the same meaning. Yes, staring. I'm staring at you. I'm staring at the tree. So you can use this word instead of looking. Okay, and moving on to our second question. So the question is, what would you do if your TV were broken? Kun Tan, what would you do?
Okay. If my TV is broken.
Mm-hmm.
First, I will try to, you know, a, I try to reopen it again and again. If
Okay.
if it doesn't work, I will, use palm and use my palm to, I don't know, it's not smash it. Is that? It's, yeah, on TV. If it still doesn't work, I will look. I will try to find anything to do rather than watch TV, and I call the I will call
I see. So if it doesn't work, you will give up immediately and find other things to do, and you will call a TV repair shop to help you.
Yes, I think so.
Okay. So you have TV repair shop. Okay. And do you watch TV nowadays, or you only like watch YouTube videos?
I think I rarely watch TV. I always watch many things on YouTube because I can select what I can watch, and I can watch it like any times I want.
I agree with you. I think nowadays less people watch TV because they find like commercials annoying. There are too many commercials. If you watch on YouTube, you can skip, or you don't have to like waste your time on watching some advertisement.
Yes, and I use ad blocker also.
I see. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. How about Kun Yut? Kun Yut, what would you do?
For me, if my TV is broken, first of all, I will fix it by myself.
Okay.
Such as unplug and plug in again, and I will try to reset it. But it's not it's no good. Lastly, I will send to the repair shop to fix it. Yes.
Okay, I see. Have you ever brought your TV to a repair shop before?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, okay. And how long did it take for them to fix it for you?
It's allowed 1 or 2 days. Yeah.
And how much did you have to pay? Was it expensive?
It's depend on the cause of
The problem.
problem. Usually it's about 2 or 500 baht for fix it.
Do you know this word, warranty? Like, I think if you have this,
I have.
they will do it for free, right?
Yes, if
Okay.
the warranty is still valid, is still still working. I will send to Factoria to.
And how long
to
is
deal
your
it.
warranty? Like 1 year or 2 years? How long does it last?
Usually about TV, I think it's about 2 years.
Oh, 2 years.
Yeah.
Okay, until it expired.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for sharing. How about Kun Ton Nam? What would you do?
About me, when TV has a problem, I will hit them again and again. And I will take a car from broad news
Mhm.
television.
Ah, okay. Have you ever faced this problem before? Like your TV
No,
was broken? No?
yes, I never problem.
Okay. How many hours of TV do you watch every day?
I think around 1 hour a week because I like to watching everything by mobile phone or smartphone.
Ah, yeah, I feel like now TV is just a part of furniture. It's like a decoration. People don't use it anymore. Okay. Thank you for your answer. Okay, how about you คุณชนัญญา
Okay. At the first, I will check it again and uh, and call daddy to repair it.
Okay, so you call your dad to help you fix it.
Yes.
Okay, but what if your dad was busy? He could not come and help you. What would you do?
Call mechanic.
Ah, okay. So you call mechanic to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. And next question, we are going to have a little discussion about some common TV problems. So problems that you face often, and you're going to do it in pairs. So คุณ
Thank
ยุทธ
Yeah.
and คุณ Tan, you're going to do this together,
Hello, Tan.
and you can start when you are ready.
Hello, คุณ
Okay.
ตั้น
Hello คุณยุทธ
how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine because I don't go to work today.
Why?
I today is my off day,
Off day.
but tomorrow I need I need to go to
Yeah.
work tomorrow.
Okay, I see.
Very bad.
Tan, may I ask you if have you any common TV problem?
Yeah, I think sometimes when I use it for a long time,
Mm-hmm.
there is the line on the TV. It's
Line.
like the line is
Like is I think
it's cross the TV
vertical
and it's very annoying.
vertical line vertical line like
Yeah, vertical line.
yeah
Yes.
I think is makes you annoying yeah. And what you do
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
what you deal with your problem for your TV broken?
Okay. That tip I use is for too long, so I decided to replace it with a new one.
Yeah. Very good.
Okay, so how?
May I invite you to choose the smart TV instead of
Oh,
old
yeah?
TV. Yeah,
Okay. Is it expensive
you can say,
or is it cheaper now?
but it is convenient for you to enjoy it.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
And have you
So-
ever have you ever bring your TV to repair shop?
I can't remember. Maybe it's long time ago, but you know, I often watched TV when I was a kid, but I can't remember. It just disappear from my life. I go to computer and start watching it
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see. Okay, thank you very much, Tan.
Okay, thank you, big boy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And I put some mistakes, like some corrections in the chat box, so you can take a look. And next, คุณต้น and คุณชนัญญา you're going to do this together.
Hello
Hi คุณชนัญญา
Hi คุณต้น How are you
I'm very well about you
Well
Okay do you have a problem about TV in your life
Yes I have problem about TV sometimes it's เปิดไม่ติด
cannot turn on right
Yes cannot turn on Yes
it's the same sometime I have our own TV I like to set him outside in my house but my grandmother like to save him because I cannot to turn on them too
Okay
uh-huh
Your mother
your
again please
I say we have the same problem because I have our own television one machine one television I cannot turn on because I don't know but I like to take them to outside in my home and my grandfather try to save them and try to repair
Okay Grandfather you can repair it
no he cannot repair it he just not turn on the same do you have a problem also
No I don't have
about me I have a problem also is cannot change a channel by remote I will need to touch screen in television for change channel
Okay
so thank you for sharing
Okay thank you for sharing too
Okay, thank you. So here are some common problems that people face daily. So sometimes some channels are missing, or as Kunton mentioned earlier, some people can change the channels by remote control. So maybe there's something wrong with the remote control, maybe it runs out of batteries. And sometimes the skin discolors or burns out, so it turns blank. And some people, they use a satellite TV, so they cannot get TV signal. Okay, so in this part, we are going to do a role play now. So for role A, imagine that your TV is broken, so you have to ask your friend what you should do. And for B, your student A's friend, you have to talk with him or her and give some advice. So this time I'm going to change your partner, คุณ Tan and คุณ Ton. You're doing this together.
Hi คุณตั้น
Hello คุณต้น
Uh-huh.
Okay, my TV is broken. I can't open it. Can you help me? I heard that you are very good at repairing TV.
You you forget to take it back TV, right?
I plug it in the outlet, and I think my electric is going well.
Does you look around TV have a red have a like a bit in
Oh,
the right
red
not?
light. You
Yes.
mean red light on the bottom of TV?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I see. I see it. It appears. Yeah, it appears. So, what do you recommend? I have no idea what to do.
If your room not have problem outside in television, you cannot skill to repair television television or electronic to you will to set to fixer for help you.
Okay, I will call a television repairman. I think. Okay. So, have you faced had you ever faced a same problem as me?
I often have a problem television, but not a problem a lot. Just have problem a little bit when I cannot change channel. Other have a normal.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay. By the way, thanks for your help, คุณต้น I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So, Kun Ton, can you do it again with Kun Yut? But this time, Kun Ton, you're going to be A, and Kun Yut, you're B.
Hi, Kun Yut.
Hi คุณต้น
I have your advise me about television because my television have a problem.
What happened? What problem with your TV ต้น Tell me what happened.
I think have screen my television not a query.
Not
Clearly.
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 I see. I suggest you that firstly you will try unplug it and replug it again for try reset it. But it is no good. I think you will ask for a technician for fix it. Your father or your brother good at repair TV.
Them had not skill to repair.
Okay.
He just right to set for big shop.
Okay. So I want you to try to unplug it and replug again. Or you can try to reset it Do you know reset uh, the TV? I think is will solve your problem, but it is still not good. So I think you calling to the repair shop to bring it to fix it. Okay.
Okay.
And
After I will
the last one, I think you can see the warranty of your TV. If your TV is still under warranty, I think I suggest that you should repair at the same shop you buy, to deal with the warranty periods of your TV, to send to the manufacturer to deal with this problem. Okay.
okay. Thank you, but I think I have in the end contract about television because I buy a long time ago. Thank you for your advice. I will to look in back and try to restart again.
I hope you can do
And
it.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome.
Okay, that was nice. And we're going to do it one more time. So I'm going to do it with Kun Tan. So I'm gonna be A, and I would like you to be B.
Okay.
Hello, Kun Tan. So I could not watch anything last night because my TV is broken. What should I do?
Okay. Have you tried to plug and unplug it? And
Yes,
plug it
I
again?
tried.
Okay.
Yes, I have done that, but the screen just keeps showing me vertical lines. What should I do next?
Have you how old is your TV?
I'm not sure. Probably 3 years. Maybe I
Okay.
bought it 3 years ago, and I think the warranty period has expired.
Yeah.
So where can I get it fixed?
Okay. Yeah. Like I said, I'm not a handyman, so have you tried slap the TV?
Okay. How hard should I slap it?
I don't know. 4 out of 10 of your strength.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
I think now it will.
Okay.
I will break the TV by myself.
Okay. I recommend you to get it to the TV mechanic, and when your TV is getting fixed, you can watch the TV with me. I really appreciate that.
Sure, yeah.
My TV is
And
still.
have you ever, your TV still working fine?
Yes, my TV is really fine. I just buy it. I just buy a new TV.
Oh, you just bought a new TV. How
Okay.
do you usually choose the TV? Are
Uh,
you like big screen or beautiful picture, like high quality?
yeah, I prefer big screen because so I can watch the TV with my family. Because when I watch TV, I think we watch it all together with friends, with family. But if we
Yeah,
want,
okay.
if we want to watch it alone, you watch it on your smartphone. Okay.
Oh yeah, Exactly. And do you have a favorite channel that you watch with your family? Like a soccer match or...
Okay, in my personal time, I like to watch a NBA channel because I like to play basketball. Okay, but my family they love to watch a workpoint TV because they like the show. They like the
like the
singer.
Masked Singer. I
Yeah.
see. I also watch NBA sometimes, but like my favorite player already retired, Kobe Bryant, so I no longer watch it.
Okay. Okay. I don't know he's retired now.
Yeah, like he used to play for Lakers, you know, right? But now
Yeah.
like LeBron James, he changed to join Lakers. So
Okay.
and I don't like him.
he is too monster maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that was good. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, and here is a wrap up for today's lesson. So we had discussions on TV repairs and pronunciation of short sound of I and I. So here are some differences, and I would like each one of you to pronounce them out loud. So starting with Kun Ton, can you pronounce all these words?
Bin, burn, chimp, champ, it, eat, sit, said, fell, fit, fell, bird, and get green.
Okay. So these two words, bin and bean, sheep and sheep.
Sheep.
Can you try?
Bin and bean, sheep and sheep.
Yeah, okay. And this one, fill and feel, fit and feed.
Fill and fill, fit and feed.
Okay, that's better. And can you pronounce this sentence as well?
Oh,
I grin when I find green beans in the cell bin.
I grin when I find green bean in the cell bin.
Okay, and the last one. I need to sit in the seat because my feet do not fit in this shoe.
I need to sit in the seat because my feet do not fit in this shoe.
Okay, this one is seat.
See it.
Seat.
See it.
Okay, like take a seat. And this one is fit.
Sit.
Yes. So like this shoe doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me. Okay, thank you so much. And next, Kun Yut.
Bin, bean,
Okay.
chip, sheep, his, his, it, eat, sit, seat, fill, fuel, fit, feed, clean, green.
Okay, everything is correct. And now this sentence, please.
This soup is delicious and cheap. Eat it.
Okay, and the next one.
I need to sit in the seat because my feet is disappear, teacher.
Okay, I move it here. Can you see it now?
Yeah. I need to sit in the seat because my feet do not fit in this shoe.
Okay, that's good. There's no mistake at all. And the last person, Kun Tan. Can you read that list?
Okay. A bean, ship, sheep, his, his, it, eat, sit, seat, fill, field, fit, feet, grin, green.
Okay, and the sentence.
Okay. This sheep is delicious and cheap. Eat it. I grin when I find green beans in the cell bin.
Okay, very nice. You have very clear pronunciation. Okay, and do you guys have any questions?
Let's move to คุณชานัญญา she want to read too
Oh,
teacher.
okay. Okay, thank you for telling me. Okay, Kun Shananya. Now it's your turn.
Thank you, teacher. Bean and bean, sheep and sheep, his and his, eat and eat, sit and sit, feel and feel, fit and fit, green and green.
Okay, and the 3 sentences.
Okay, this sheep is delicious and cheap. Eat it. I grin when I find green bean in the cell bin. I need to sit in the seat because my feet do not fit in this shoe.
Okay, awesome. Okay, thank you for joining at the last minute. I appreciate that. Okay, so guys, don't forget to finish your homework as soon as possible. And I hope you all have a good day. Thank you so much for joining this class, and I hope to see you again.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.